Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be something different, a little bit more like a vlog style. I am going to be taking you guys along my little nesting journey. I am 35 weeks and 2 days now, and the nerves are really setting in. Like, I feel like she could be here any day. I still have so much to get done around the house, and I'm still waiting on so many things from Amazon to come in, like especially for her closet. I bought hangers, closet dividers. I bought this like hanging rack so I can double up her clothes because they're so tiny, you know, like I want to make the most of the little space that we do have. And so right now I'm going to start by doing her laundry. I'm mainly gonna just be washing her newborn and 0 to 3 month clothes. I will get to the bigger sizes hopefully before she gets here, but I just want to start with that because she'll be wearing those first, and I'm gonna do like all her bibs, burp cloths, blankets, BBB. So let's get started. But wait, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, ¿por qué? What are you doing? Why not? I mean, you're here, you might as well join the fam. So hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell to get alarmed whenever I upload a new video. I'll be covering pregnancy, postpartum, motherhood, being a first-time mom, overseas, military wife life, what else? Business and branding, and mindset, mental health, Japan vlogs, like honestly just my whole life pretty much. So join in on the fun. Okay, and then I have this little mesh bag that's meant for the washer, and it has 3 different compartments, so it's super clutch. I'm gonna put her little mitts in one, her socks in the big one because there's a lot of socks, and I guess like hats and headbands in the other one. We'll see. I'm gonna put the socks in here because this is bigger, which is a lot of socks. Here I'm gonna do her headbands. That's not gonna work. Okay, so these are gonna go in another load because they don't fit. So we got this and that. Okay, so here I've separated all her clothes into piles that I'm gonna wash separately. We got whites, blankets that are like light colors, then we have dark grays. That's like my carrier. Most of those are actually my carriers and like blankets and stuff. Then we got her socks in that first mesh bag. her mittens and hats, and then her headbands couldn't fit. I don't have any more mesh bags, so those are gonna go in a separate load in a mesh bag. And then colors. I really don't want any of these colors like, you know, bleeding onto any of the whites and stuff because I won't be using bleach. So I just want to keep them separate. Next, I have my 4 Moms cover that I'm going to be taking off and washing as well. Okay, so I had just cleaned the machine with some bleach and vinegar prior to doing this to make sure that it's clean as can be before starting. And luckily we have American appliances here because they're way more powerful and bigger than Japanese ones. I do have 7th generation, which I use for our clothes, but I did get dressed, so I'm gonna use that. I'm not putting any softener or anything else in this. Hot out here, so we're outside now. We're putting the car seat in the car. We have no idea what we're doing, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so we kind of had no idea what we're doing, so we're gonna have one of our more experienced friends check it out to make sure that it's done right.
Yeah.
But that was pretty easy though. You did it.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
You did that.
We did that. That wasn't too hard.
Rocket science.